Today I've got something that's gonna blow your mind away. Imagine if you can track, monitor, and control every drop of water that's used in your home. It sounds futuristic, it sounds expensive, but I'm here to tell you that's not the case. Today I'm reviewing Droplets. Droplets is a company that I was blown away at CES. If you haven't seen that video, check it out here. Let's offer one of the most futuristic app which will help save you thousands of dollars in flood and damage at your home. Today I'm going to tell you what is Droplets, how to set it up, and why it's so groundbreaking. Let's go ahead and unbox this product. Let's install it and let's check it out. As you can see from the installation, it is super easy. All you need to do is ensure that you are installing this here where your cold water line is, to ensure it's tracking water flow within that line. And once it's installed, make sure it's connected to your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Make sure it's connected to your power supply, and that's it. You just leave it there. You don't need to touch it, you don't need to tamper with it. It sits there forever. What it does, it tells you every bit of water that's used in your home, every drop of water that's used in your home. Once it's installed, one of the steps you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn each one of the faucet on and tag it within the app. You want to flush every tile you have and tag it within the app. You basically want to go around your entire home and label every source of water usage. Once it's labeled, then you watch the magic happens. In the app, it's going to tell you real time which part of your home is using water. For example, if you are showering and the water is flowing there, it's going to tell you, okay, there's X amount of water, like 30 gallons of water used in shower today. It's also going to tell you that if you flush a toilet, okay, you flush a toilet, it used let's say 20 gallons of water. It's gonna give you your daily water usage, your monthly water usage, yearly water usage, and weekly water usage. It's also gonna tell you real time what is happening within the water or within your pipes. I had a bit of weird alert recently where I was at work and then it detected like water was flowing through my pipe. It said unusual activity. You had 29 gallons of water used at a time when you normally don't use it. When I investigated, it was just my wife that was at home that was using water, and it did not recognize that was not at home. So it did give me that alert, which tells me this system is really, really smart and really sharp, that when you're not at home and water is flowing through your pipes, you want to go and investigate that, because that is unusual. I just love how integrated this is. If you are one of those folks that wants to get really, really fancy with this here, you can also connect this to Assistant, Google Assistant. Once connected to Google Assistant, you can create crazy dashboard to monitor your water usage. You can even monitor water usage outside of your yard. Like if you have a sprinkler system set up, it'll be great for that. But for me, this is exactly what I need. I can now understand how much water is getting used for different sink and different faucets and different toilet. And if you want to make a little bit more change in your lifestyle, you can change your lifestyle so you use less water. Now, water is critical, especially in summer. In summer, when we have severe heat, it's really important that we conserve water, and that is really cool to understand. Okay, we can reduce our water in certain parts of our house by changing our lifestyle to ensure that we don't drive up our water bill expensive. And on the flip side of that, water damages can be extremely expensive. Knock on wood, this hasn't happened to me so far, and hopefully it never happens to me. But I know some folks where the pipe bursts, water just started pouring there. They never got an alert, water kept pouring. They came back from a vacation, the basement was almost 6 feet under with water. And if they had something like this, they could have called to get the water shut off at the main line by someone. So really important. I can't stress how important it is to have something like this here. That is monitoring your water, tells you how you're using your water, but also gives you that proactive alert if there's any unusual water flow that could cause a leak in your home. Also, if you have kids and they're a little bit, let's say, sassy with you and they leave a faucet on, you can tell that you have a faucet on that's running, and you can go ahead and get someone at home there to turn it off, or get the kids to turn it off. So really, I think it's added importance if you have children at home. Another big thing on this here is I did have a toilet that when you flush it, it kept running for a long period of time. This device actually told me that, okay, we can change the toilet device inside. I don't know what you call it, but if you know, just leave a comment. Once I change that, it will fill the tank faster, and that way the water doesn't keep running and cause extra like water usage at home. So that being said, Droplet is so easy to install. It is a super awesome app that tells you everything you need to know about your water usage. And the last thing I want to say, it is super affordable. Right now they're offering a special where you get $30 off the regular price. Its regular price, I believe, is $199. You're getting $30 off. It's a super great deal. So make sure you check that out. I have a link here. They've provided me with a coupon, and they're providing me with a link here so you can take advantage of this here. I encourage you, if there's one thing that you spend on your home this year, it should be the Droplet water monitor. This will save you so much money overall, and it's good to know. If you know how much you use, then you can shave off a little bit every month, and that will reduce your water bill. Are really affordable too. It's not crazy price, it's just a really sweet price when it comes to buying this here. And if you know someone that you want to buy it for, take advantage of the coupon code